Hi guys, here 7 minus 6 times, here 6 minus 7 is negative 1. Now 7 minus 6 is 1 times negative 1. Now 1 times negative 1 is negative 1 is the wrong answer. As per the order of operation, this negative 1 is the wrong answer. Now we are going to introduce that order of operations PEMDAS. Here this is bracket, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this we are going to follow here another rule called left to right. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. As per this PEMDAS rule, this bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this action before any other action. So 7 minus 6 times, here this is negative 1. Now we have subtraction and multiplication. Multiplication is higher priority than this subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication before this subtraction. So 7, this is negative times negative is plus, so it is 6. Here 7 plus 6 is, it is 13 is the correct answer.